Grabe. Grabe ang snow. We're gonna test this Pocket 3. We're gonna see how discreet this camera is. We'll see. If people are gonna start looking at me, I'm gonna stop.
Think you're crazy.
Huh?
They think you're crazy.
No, I'm not. Done on this side? Hey guys, andito kami sa Walmart ngayon. We are buying some stuff for our baby boy here. Yan, so hayaan ko lang si Mrs. dyan na mamili kasi siya naman yung normally na nag pili-pili ng mga gagamitan ng baby namin. Yan. Supporting actor lang tayo dito. Yan, so I'm just gonna let her do her thing kasi yan na yung happiness niya guys, yung bumili ng mga groceries. Pasok ka. Okay. I love this camera. Sobrang late guys. Hindi pansin. Wala pang may nakakapansin masyado. Tomato, yeah. Cauliflower, tomato, dun sa pa to? Sayote. Oh my God, tapos na. Tapos na. Sobrang hirap i-push ng cart. Look at this guys. So cold, so windy. Ang hirap itulak ng cart because of the snow. Woo. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Have a great day. Woo! Oh my God. Guys, how are you guys today? Nandito na tayo sa bahay ngayon. At tayo ay day off. And you know what's cool about it? Na day off tayo ngayon? I'm gonna show you. Boom! Ayan. So meron tayong winter warning. Tingnan niyo yung tingnan niyo yung pine tree diyan. Ayan, sumasayaw-sayaw. So meron tayong winter storm na parating. Ayan. Hopefully na ma-zoom in ko pero I don't think so. Pero yung field talagang na-cover na ng snow guys. Ayan. Grabe yung snow na parating guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga puno sumasayaw-sayaw. Ayan. Ayan. Oh my gulay. So imagine kung ganitong oras at nasa trabaho ka pang ganitong oras ano. Eh yung trabaho namin is nasa most of the time nasa labas kami ng barn. Ayan. Kasi kailangan namin pumasok sa barn tapos lalabas na naman, magpa-process, lalabas na naman. So imagine kung nasa workplace ka ngayon at ganito kalamig. Jeez. Good luck na lang. At saka it's gonna be brutal. I know na mas malala sa Alberta ngayon kasi meron silang mga -31. Pero I think next week magsisimula ng -10, 11 hanggang to the extent of -19 ata for next week. So yeah, so ingat lahat sa mga kabayan natin diyan na malapit dito sa area, dito sa Ontario. Ingat kayo mga kabayan, and then wala, chill lang tayo ngayon dito sa bahay. As you can see dyan sa may background ko, nanonood tayo ng ng Pinoy Pawn Star. Ayan, si Boss Toyo, pinapanood natin. At habang tayo ay nagme-merienda ngayon, yan, bumili nga pala ako ng kanina. Bumili ako ng pizza kanina, ayan. Ayan, kasi si Macy's, kakaano lang din ng Macy's ko. Kakatapos lang din ng work ng 2 p.m. So, meron namang merong ulam, pero iba yung pizza. Ayan, mga pizza lover. So, I don't know, nag-iisip ako ng magandang content or may topic, pero wala pang may nagsisink in. Pagod yung katawang lupa ko, guys. Mula nung Sunday nag-work tayo hanggang ngayon. So, long stretch. Talagang nabanat yung mga buto-buto natin. Ay, naka. Pero good thing about it is off na tayo ngayon, Saturday, Sunday. Ngayon ay Friday afternoon. At off na tayo ng Saturday, Sunday, bukas at sa Sunday. At medyo manunumbalik yung lakas natin. So, buti na lahat hindi tayo tinamaan ng lagnat, ubo, or sipon. Medyo okay yung pakiramdam natin. Kaya thank God at kahit papano, hindi naapektuhan yung health natin, even though na yung work natin is a little bit tiring talaga. Nakakapagod talaga magtrabaho ng long stretch, guys. Pero wala tayong choice, we have to work kasi kung walang work, walang chicha, walang walang pang-sustain sa mga bills. Ayan. At in-update ko lang kayo kung what it looks like outside sa aming bahay ngayon. And mag-iisip ako ng magandang topic mamaya. If I do have any in mind, then I will just gonna grab my camera and then just talk right in front of camera. We'll see how it goes later on. But yeah, hope you guys are doing okay today. Hope you guys are enjoying your time with your family, and keep safe, everyone. Oh, yes. Let's go. Oh my God, guys. Matagal kong hinintay to na makabit ko tong TV na to dito sa aking computer room. So, finally, talagang nalagay ko na siya. Ayan. So, ngayon, uy, ano yun? Nakakatakot din ah. Ngayon, may TV na ako dito. So, para pag pagod galing sa trabaho, long days of works, di ba? Parang minsan gusto mo na lang talagang magpahinga pagdating mo ng bahay, or yung gusto mong yung mag-me time. So, ayan, meron na akong TV dito sa aking computer room. Yeah, finally. Ayan, pumayag yung misis ko na ilipat yung TV dito sa aking computer room. And then we have another plan para sa aming basement living room. So, ayan. Makakapag-Netflix na ako while nag-edit or makapagpanood na ako ng basketball. Ayan. So, I'm so happy. Maganda rin pa rin na idudulot nung winter storm sa labas, guys.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze than sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to the kid. Shout out skull when I slat out wigs. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't need pass girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Tell them man can't handle the fixture. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be active if you think you can wig me.